After releasing my game demo, I got a lot of feedback saying the gameplay was confusing, and I noticed something interesting. A lot of players would quit during the tutorial or right after it. Some players even said they only understood the game after spending a long time experimenting on their own. That made me realize my tutorial wasn't actually teaching the game properly. It was too short for players to truly understand the core mechanics. And honestly, I did that on purpose. Because as a player myself, I always hated long tutorials that slow everything down. I always want to get to the real game as fast as possible. So in my demo, after introducing the basic controls, I basically just threw a player into the game and said, "Alright, go figure it out on your own." And yeah, that was a mistake. As the developer, I already know exactly how the game works, but for first-time players, everything is completely unfamiliar. Every system, every route, every mechanic, I thought I had made a short and efficient tutorial, but in fact, I was only mentioning important mechanics, not actually helping players understand them. So then I started thinking, how do you teach players properly without making the tutorial feel slow and boring? And I think the answer is this. Instead of telling players the solution, you create situations where they want to think, how can I use these mechanics to win? So I added a new tutorial level. It's still short and simple, but this time instead of directly explaining everything, I gave players a problem to solve. You only have one action point for digestion. How should you plan the eating order to reach the target energy? That's actually the core mechanic of the game, by the way. I might talk more about it in another video. If players just click randomly, they won't reach the target, and the tutorial character immediately reacts to the result. If the player fails, they quickly realize, wait, maybe the eating order matters. And then they naturally carry that understanding into the next attempt. But if they succeed, that means they already understand the core mechanic. And that's exactly what I wanted. So this tutorial became much more like a puzzle. On top of that, I also added a flashcard system, so players can quickly review mechanics at any time. At first, I thought about using videos or detailed visual explanations. That probably wouldn't be more efficient, but honestly, it felt too intrusive. It kind of broke the immersion. So instead, I replaced them with these simple little doodles, almost like the hamster character Jordan itself, and I actually like that a lot more. I'm really happy with these changes. But at the same time, this whole process is making me realize something. There's no single correct answer in game design. A lot of it is just iteration. You build something, see what feels wrong, and improve it step by step. And honestly, this change is probably just the beginning. So if you play the demo and have feedback, or if there was anything confusing or frustrating, feel free to let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.